Okay, what you're looking at here is a plastic or an acrylic little trigger housing that I put together to make this tutorial a little more simplified. It's hard to understand when you're reading instructions off of paper, so this will give you a better idea what I'm talking about. What you're looking at here is the factory component that you're going to be swapping out. Okay, over here, hope you can see it. Hold on a second, let me move it over. This is the upgrade component that gives you the match grade trigger. Okay, we're going to take out these four components and to allow us to put this one in. So I'll show you how it's done, and reinstalling it is just a reverse order. Okay, and I'll be taking out the trigger first. That's this here, and if you'll bear with me, I'll do that now. Okay, the trigger first, then the sear right below it. Okay, then you take out the main spring, and the removal of those three components allows you to get to the little bird head component here, which is what you want to swap out. Okay, man, I hope you guys can see this. Come on, you piece of crap. You notice I'm using the long needle nose pliers. Okay, if you have some of these, they're real helpful when installing these. There's really nothing complicated about it. You just do it in the reverse order. Okay. After you install the new match grade upgraded component, we call it a duck head for obvious reasons. It's got the profile of a duck head. Okay. Second goes the main spring, and the small arm goes up underneath the duck bill. The long arm goes down against the sear with the claw on it. Okay. Then you install this sear, and keep in mind that this trigger group is upside down. Okay, as you have your gun in your gun rest. And last but not least will be the trigger itself. And that's all there is to it. There's really nothing complicated about it. But once you get it in there, what you want to do to test it is, use all the safety protocols you would on any firearm or air gun. As you cock it, it automatically moves the lower part of the cocking lever over so that when you pull the trigger, it won't allow the duck bill to go down any farther than that. Okay. When it's off safety, then the duck bill can go, and that's what disengages the sear from the piston sleeve, and it fires your shot. Okay, I hope that makes sense. If not, feel free to ask questions, and I'll have a link down in the comment section that'll guide you over to our Yahoo Umarex Octane users group, which gives a little more detailed instructions there. Okay, thanks for watching.